Hey. It's Reese. Welcome back, y'all. So, y'all, what, like I said, I'm going to say it again, has been going on YouTube? This shit right here is completely crazy. Every day, it is something completely different. I mean, and it just don't be, you know what I'm saying, something little. People have been literally, I'm trying to tell y'all, have been literally running wild on YouTube. All right. But right now, we're going to go ahead and we are going to jump into Starla, Omega, Chrissy, Cooking with Chrissy. Yeah, we're going to jump into her. So I decided to go ahead on and, look at a live that she had did or whatever. And she seemed to have a better spirit. She seemed not to be low and drowning, you know what I'm saying, in her feelings and depressed like she's been coming on camera lately. All right. You can see that, there's a change. All right. Now, we all know, about Mr. Dreads. That's what I'm going to call him, Mr. Dreads. All right. So Mr. Dreads has been seeing cooking like they are cooking in a soup kitchen. He's chopping up tomatoes. He's going into the refrigerator, all those type of things. So when you see him going into, the refrigerator, you already know right off the bat, this has got to be somebody that Chrissy is trying to fuck with for real. Not a hit it and run, okay? Not that. This is somebody that I think, you know what I'm saying, she trying to do with. Also, it seems to be like this. When Chrissy is broken down, is depressed and all of that, she has a certain way of coming across. Now that she is not, she's coming across as her normal exposure. And what I mean by that is, you can clearly tell that somebody is knocking down her walls. All right. When she came onto the camera, you know what I mean, with the whole disco decor in the back, I mean, it was a fucking mess. But anyway, when she came on camera with all that shit or whatever, right, you cannot, I mean, Chrissy was smiling from ear to ear. Someone went as far to ask her and say, are you going to show bae? And Chrissy said, nope, she's not. All right. And what I'm going to say to you, Chrissy, is you are learning. You should clearly, under no circumstances, show him. I don't even know why you showed the dreads. I wouldn't even show that. They would have been looking at his shoes. That would be it. Or a hand. That's it. Chrissy is getting dicked down. That leads me also to believe anytime Chrissy is being dicked down, she can't really make videos because she has all of her attention on the D. All right. But I'm here to tell you, Chrissy, when you getting dicked down, you still gotta, run your business. You still gotta put out your videos. You still gotta do your sponsors. You still gotta do what you do, because do you realize when that dick is not there? When it's not there, listen to me clearly. When it's gone, out in the street doing whatever it do, girl, you need to be on here popping out these videos because you have to pay the bills. You get me? You get how I'm coming across? But like I said, yeah, I think it's, good that you are not letting people know who he is. And at the same token, I really don't think anybody really cares who he is either. Because, what I'm saying, you're not a celebrity or anything. You are just a YouTuber. Now, you went on to speak about the whole likes situation. You said that people look at you and they do that, and you said you are not saying that you started something or whatever. But Chrissy, you already know, I'm gonna tell the truth, that's what I do over here. And I've gotta say, I don't know anyone that has done that except for you. Hands down. So when you see someone in a live, they always normally say, like, you know, our girl Chrissy says about the likes. So yeah, you know, if it was a lie, I tell you it's a lie straight out. But yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll give you that. Also, Chrissy, I see that you are trying to ignore the fuck out of Olivia. Chrissy, I wonder if you are over there with your iPad, your iPhone, whatever, or have her on the screen and looking, saying, yup, bitch, you look real stupid right now. You done got on YouTube and told them that you buying a house and you ain't buying shit. If I was you, Chrissy, I would be on the floor, okay? When I would have seen that video, I would have said pizza for everyone. That's what I would have did. Because, you know, Liv, she always basically trying to throw shots at you. She got 7 baby daddies. She been evicted. I don't have no court cases. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. And see, you be trying to be like real cool on her, because we already know the first time you dragged Olivia, I gotta tell you, just like I did, you know, when it was you, yeah, the first time that you did that, I was like, yeah, she dragged the fuck out of Olivia. Olivia needs to shut down that actual account and go ahead and open up her another one. And don't even put your picture up there, because she dragged the shit out you or whatever. But I think what it is Liv wants you to come forward to say something to her. Because you know why? Liv has no content at this point. None. I don't even know how she's getting, you know what I mean, the views that she is actually getting. And Chrissy, did you see the video where as though she had her leg up on the actual island? Like, you know how when you was on the table and, you know what I mean, you was sliding, she literally probably looked at your video and she had her whole entire thigh, leg, everything up on the side of the counter talking about, I bought this shit. And guess what? She didn't buy shit. She didn't buy anything. She looks so crazy at this point. I'm like, why do you fucking keep trying to fuck with them? You keep trying to say little things to Ming. You keep trying to say little things to Chrissy, because you know why? You don't have no content and you want to fuck with them. But if I was you, I mean, I'm going to be real serious. You know, I'm going to just tell you, Chrissy, I would go ahead and I will put I would go ahead and I will put Liv in her place. I will put her in her place. Because, yeah, she's trying it. Ain't no other way to put it. We all see it. She is definitely trying it. And I don't mean any harm. Liv is under no circumstances should be trying anyone at this point. Liv, like I said a couple videos back, and I'm going to say it again, you look completely like an idiot. You look crazy. You look weird. You look dishonest. You look, I mean, it's so many things, the way you get what I'm saying, that you look right now. I'm going to be honest. It's not a good look. It's not a good look at all. Like, you look crazy. You in these YouTube streets, you are looking crazy. And I already can tell y'all, if Chrissy or Jasmine or Ming don't say nothing back to her, she just gonna keep on. And second, what is getting ready to happen is Liv is getting ready to get in a drunken stupor. Yeah, she get ready to get drunk and lit. Whereas though, you know, when she drunk and lit, she has, like, you know, the alcohol mouth, won't stop, keep going on and on and on and on. And see, Liv, that's the shit that got you in the trouble that you are in right now. See, a lot of these people on YouTube, they are always trying to live like the other person. One thing that I will say about you, Chrissy, when you get a house, yeah, you get evictions and all that type of shit, but you do stay for a certain amount of time. So when you got your house, Liv had it in her mind, and I said this before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump out and get me a house. So when she jumped out to get the house, she really thought that she was better than you. Not only that, but she was like, you know what? I got an MTV crib just like her, and guess what, bitch? I got something that she ain't got. I got an Olympian pool. Did y'all notice when Liv decided to walk out into her backyard and how she was walking along the pool? You would have thought this bitch was Kim Kardashian. I said, oh, okay, that's how we doing it, Olivia. But to see her now fall, I mean, I gotta say, it's really, really a sad sight. Because you know what? Everyone sees it on camera. Everyone sees that she is not the person that she has put herself up to be. Okay? Liv has always, you know, I got money. I got this. You don't know what I got. I don't have no car payment. This car paid off. No, I don't believe that either. I don't think that Mercedes is paid off at all. Yeah. But anyway, we're not even going to get on Liv too much longer because I came here to address, you know, what Chrissy was saying, you know, address her new boo or whatever. But yeah, I mean, Chrissy, you got to slide on out from under him for a little while because, you know, baby, you got to make some sponsorships. You got to make some videos, you know. You just feel like you all booed up. I get that. I get that sense from you. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump off of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.